This Judge Judy case begins like a simple family dispute, one sister asking another to pay back money. But very quickly it becomes a powerful story about broken trust, blurred boundaries, and the cost of mixing family with finances. Chelsea McDonald, 25 years old, comes to court claiming that her younger sister, 22-year-old Jordan McDonald, owes her more than $2,000. The money was charged to Chelsea's personal credit card, a card she allowed her sister to use during a difficult time. Earlier that year, Jordan had been arrested for DUI and suddenly found herself facing serious legal fees. Desperate and unemployed, she turned to her older sister for help. Chelsea, believing she was doing the right thing, gave Jordan her credit card. According to Chelsea, the card had a zero balance and the agreement was clear. Jordan could use it to pay for her lawyer and urgent expenses, but she would pay it back as soon as she got a job. There was no written contract, no paperwork, just trust, the kind of trust that exists between sisters. Months passed. Jordan eventually found part-time work and stabilized her life, but the money was never repaid. Tension grew, and what started as a financial issue slowly turned into a personal one. Things escalated even further when Jordan borrowed Chelsea's car. She returned it without saying a word, but the vehicle was damaged. Instead of admitting what happened, Jordan attempted to cover it up by buying a cheap paint kit from a store and trying to fix the damage herself. That moment marked the complete breakdown of trust between the two sisters. Inside the courtroom, Judge Judy quickly takes control, asking sharp questions about employment, income, and independence. It becomes clear that both sisters work part-time, while Jordan still relies heavily on her mother, who works full-time. Jordan claims the credit card money was a gift, not a loan, but Judge Judy immediately challenges that claim. If it was truly a gift, why would Chelsea emphasize that the card had a zero balance, and why would repayment be discussed once Jordan found employment? Credit card statements are presented, revealing attorney fees, cash advances, and even money used to pay off a title loan on Jordan's car. The evidence shows a clear pattern. This was not casual spending. It was emergency financial assistance tied to a promise to repay. Jordan tries to rely on text messages suggesting the money was forgiven, but Judge Judy dismisses that argument, explaining that actions and context matter more than selective words. The case reaches its climax when Judge Judy bluntly tells Jordan to grow up and take responsibility. Family support, she explains, does not erase financial obligation, especially when promises are made and broken. Without hesitation, Judge Judy issues her ruling, judgment for the plaintiff in the amount of $2,105.49. The case ends with a strong reminder: helping family does not mean accepting disrespect, and trust, once damaged, is extremely difficult to repair. This wasn't just a lawsuit between two sisters. It was a lesson in accountability, honesty, and why mixing money with family can come at a high price.